Hello, everybody. This is Michael Robbins, and I'm the president of the Seven Ray Institute and University of the Seven Rays, and the director of the Moria Federation. In the spirit of goodwill, and for 33 years, the Seven Ray Institute, SRI, and the University of the Seven Rays, USR, have been teaching the ageless wisdom philosophy to the public through their conferences and workshops and publications. These sacred teachings descended from the heights of superhuman consciousness in the last century, from those great spiritual adepts whom we call the Masters of the Wisdom. The first distribution of teachings began with the Theosophical Society in the late 1800s, then a few decades later continued with the Arcane School through the work of Alice A. Bailey. Alice was an amanuensis for the Tibetan master, Jual Master DK, who is a member of the spiritual hierarchy of our planet. She transcribed the books for him based upon his direct dictation and authored several of her own. The Seven Ray Institute and University of the Seven Rays are among the few organizations helping to maintain this tradition since their conception. In the spirit of spreading the teachings far and wide, the USR-SRI annual conferences serve to connect spiritually minded people and are an act of service, applying group work through focused intention to bring about the invocation of the soul of humanity. This year, in response to the global pandemic, we are having our first online conference, really the 34th conference, allowing many more to come together who in past years were unable to meet in person. We are in the final years of the era of the Forerunner leading to 2025, when the next great conclave of the hierarchy will take place, at which time vitally important decisions for the destiny of humanity will occur. Given this auspicious time and the fourth ray theme of this year's online conference, we extend this invitation to you to join us as an attendee. In the spirit of goodwill, right human relations for building a new world, a soul-inspired world together. We welcome you, one and all.